Ready to break up with Planet Fitness? Let's make this goodbye as painless as possible with our ultimate guide to canceling your membership. First up, the in-person cancellation. Head to your Planet Fitness club during business hours. We'll need to speak with a staff member at the front desk. Let them know you want to cancel your membership. They'll provide you with a cancellation form to fill out. Make sure to read it carefully before signing. Double check that all your information is correct. Once you've completed the form, hand it back to the staff member. Ask for a confirmation receipt or email as proof of your cancellation. This is crucial for your records. If you can't make it in person, you can cancel via written notice. Download a cancellation form from Planet Fitness website, or write a letter including your full name, date of birth, address, phone number, email address, and membership ID. Clearly state that you wish to cancel your membership. Send your letter via certified mail with return receipt requested to ensure it arrives and you have proof of delivery. E-address will be the specific Planet Fitness location where you signed up. Now, let's talk cancellation policies. Planet Fitness memberships are usually month-to-month or have a commitment period. Canceling before the end of your commitment may result in a buyout fee. Be aware of annual fees. These are usually charged once a year, and you might still be charged even if you're canceling. Review your original membership agreement to understand all the details and avoid unexpected charges. And that's it. You're now equipped to cancel your Planet Fitness membership with confidence. Subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.